Founders in ONPASSIVE. We will be transformed from underachievers to achievers of all our financial goals in our lives. ONPASSIVE will do that for each one of its founders. Before ONPASSIVE was created, most of us had given up on our goals for financial and time freedom. We were caught in our circumstances, with no way to get out from under those circumstances. We tried many shiny objects and we suffered devastating results. We tried companies we thought would help us, but we were not successful. They put us in the land of make-believe. Honest people kept looking for the answer to their problems. That answer is called ONPASSIVE. The search is finally over. ONPASSIVE's designer, Mr. Mufareh, is allowing common people to become partners with him in his company. We have something that will lift us above our present circumstances. ONPASSIVE gives us all the things we need and gives us all the things we want. Our fantasies will turn into realities. ONPASSIVE will keep the love we have for people alive. Every founder in ONPASSIVE will be successful. People from all over the world will receive help from massive resources coming into ONPASSIVE and sharing with the founders. ONPASSIVE is a miracle. Hearts and minds cannot imagine what ONPASSIVE will do when it opens for business. There will be a force like a massive display of love and sharing that transcends any earlier efforts to help uplift humanity. The world will be shocked by the love and generosity of the founders. Millions of lives will change for the betterment of humanity. There is nothing more powerful and beautiful than over 1,300,000 founders with unified hearts, with an insatiable desire to help lessen the suffering that is happening when people do not have the means to support their families. ONPASSIVE and its founders are eagerly waiting to deliver this much-needed aid to help those in poverty live better lives. What our hearts and minds conceive, we will achieve with ONPASSIVE. Our heartfelt gratitude and love to Mr. Mufareh and his family and staff for ONPASSIVE.